Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 RX 350. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.